Hello guys, hola, welcome to my new audio podcast. This is Sable's podcast. Today I am going to speak about the IoT projects. So, first of all, we can consider about the what is the IoT. IoT is a long meaning is a Internet of Things. It means you have a device, you can connect with device to internet. This is a IoT device. Example, you have a phone, you can connect it to into the internet. Your phone go into IoT device. You have a switch, it's connect to the Wi-Fi or internet. This is actually IoT device. And also, you have a watch, you can connect to the internet. It's also the IoT device. Or that is the simply example of the IoT device. Actually, that kind that kind of stuff. Lot of technology actually have a IoT. Example, do you have home automation system? Other thing is a do you have a vehicle? It's also have internet. Is actually IoT. Today world actually everything is IoT. So what kind? First of all, we want to learn about how to handle IoT devices. Example, first I get you the little example for the IoT device. We can start in the home. Okay. First of all, I will explain on this home automation system. Okay. So you can think you want to create home automation system. So you can first of all you want to get a home automation system. So that system have a different kind of stuff. Example, it's a basic control system. It's a light controls. You can control the home light, every lights. And it's a advanced feature is you can have some security systems, and you can control your electronic devices. Example, your fridge, TV, AC like things. It's have a relay unit and like switches like thing is also all in one. This switches can actually control with internet. Okay. Example, you can use mobile application or web browser, web application like thing. We can control everything in your home. That is the main facility of the IoT system. Okay, I think you have a good idea for the IoT systems. So I move the next part of the IoT system. We can create the IoT system. Example, you have a basic knowledge in electronic. You can create the IoT system. Basically, I think you know Arduino or what kind of thing, that kind of stuff. You have a knowledge about the Arduino. You can create the small circuit, and we can connect it. We can add the connected features. Example, we can use the ESP32, ESP8266, that kind of devices, and we can connect to the we can connect to the Arduino to internet using that devices. So yeah, I think you have a small idea for that, and we can program to that devices. That is these devices are actually microcontrollers. We can program to that devices, and we can handle these devices through the internet, and we can programmatically we can change to what we want to handle, what kind like handling devices, and we can modify it with the customizable like thing. Example, we want to create the water control system. We can add the relay to Arduino boards, and we can turn on off to internet, and other kind of stuff. We can actually create the application. Example, Android Studio or iOS Xcode or some kind of stuff. Actually, I mean cross-platform development, example Flutter or React Native, that kind tools we can use, and we can create the separate applications for these, and we can control that individually. That is a good point of electronically we can handle the IoT system. That is the good way to create the custom electronic IoT devices. So we can go the more advance of devices. We can use Raspberry Pi. You want to more advanced, we can use the Jetson board. Is a very huge processing power, and we can control the image processing like thing we have. Actually, we can run through the AI car. We can create the AI car using Jetson board. That kind of power actually have that kind of power. Jetson board, so we can create and we can enjoy it. So that is the main criteria of the IoT system. Actually, I want to tell you about the small introduction. Actually, I want to give you the small introduction of the IoT system. I think you have a small I think now you have a small knowledge about the IoT system, and it's how to work with electronics. Thank you for listening this podcast. We can connect with the new episode. Please connect with us. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.